Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper envelope with leaf. All you're gonna need is a piece of paper. I'm using A4 format, and we'll start by folding this corner of the paper down here so that this upper line will align with this line. And once you have it, just press it down like this. And next step, we'll bring this corner of paper up to this line, so fold it in and align the lines. Simple as that. Now we'll fold our paper on this line here, so we'll flip this part of the paper just over. Like this. And now we'll fold this line of the paper and align it with this line. So just fold it in half like this and press it down. Now we'll open this part and this part of the paper, and we'll flip our paper over. Now we'll fold this corner of the paper here to the middle. So fold it in half. Like this, and now open it. And now we'll start with folding the leaf part of the envelope. So we'll bring this point of the paper to this line here. And fold it again in half. And now open it and fold this section at least in halves. So fold it to one line, open it, fold it to the first line, open it, and if you want you can also fold it again in half. It depends on how big of the pattern of the leaf you want. I will fold it again in half, and we'll start by folding the first layer of the paper upwards so that it has color side up. Like this. And now reverse fold it on this line, so just tuck it under. And on white of this paper, we'll fold the rest of the lines to the center. So go up and down on the line, and again up in half. And repeat these steps so that you come to this line here. So in half and then fold it on line. And if you don't have lines, just follow the white of the paper. Just like this. Now we will flip our paper over like this and fold this part of the paper on this line, just like this. And now bring this side of the paper in, fold the bottom half of the paper outwards. If you want, you can add a little bit of glue in here, and also if you want to sand this envelope or leave it as it is, I would recommend add a little bit of glue on the sides of the paper. fold it in half, and then just tuck this paper over and press the lid down, just like this. And this is how you make origami paper envelope. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!